start with the future is in the data science actually. It's a very interesting topic today. Like what is the AI? What are the careers in AI and data science? Uh, I'll start about like what is data science first of all, and then we'll move. So today's topic, because we are going to learn about journey of data science, and we are going to learn various tools also. What are the tools we can use in today's area? I mean, I explored a lot of tools last month, and I'm going to share with you that how you can create report, you can create images, audio, video, and what are the career opportunity in the data science also. So data science is one of the most critical field right now. What is data science? So these are my today's topic, like what are the impact, what is real world application, how you can choose your path to a career in a data science, how you can be a data scientist, how you can be a data analyst. So that I'm going to tell. Apart from that, I'm going to, if possibly, if I'll get time, I'll share some of the tools with you also. So now, so I hope everyone knows that what is data. So data, we live in the era of unpredicted data generation. So huge amount of data is going to generate. Previous days, machine was generating data. Now human are also generating data. You are going to mall, you are generating, they are asking reviews, you are generating data. Now I'm talking with you, I'm generating data. Video is recorded, I'm generating the data. So the amount of stored data, like a huge amount of data is going to generate. The rate is like 28%. Now for challenge for the every industries, how to gather the data, how to understand the data, how to find meaningful pattern from the data. And that job roles are like data analyst, data scientist, data expert engineer, ML engineers. So where is the gap actually? When data is growing exponentially, the skilled data analyst growing at much lower rate at the 5.7%. So data is growing, but whether the data analyst, data scientists are growing with that rate, that is the opportunity for you to become a data scientist, to become a data analyst, to become a data engineer. So more data, not enough expert. So what is data science? It's a combination of mathematics, computer science, and domain expert. Okay. Now mathematics to data science is the practice of turning a raw data into informed decision. That is called as data science. We are going to take the decision with the raw data. Now there are three pillars as I discussed. One is computer IT, science IT, technical skill you required. One is mathematics and statistics you required. One is domain knowledge you required. Then you will become a data science. So that is a data science. So there are different types of data actually. Big data we call it as volume, velocity, variety. Data is increasing with huge amount of volume. Data is in the different format, that is variety. Whether the data is genuine or not. The data have different ways. And huge amount of data is called as big data. And we have to manage that big data. So there are key stages include in that. What are the stages? One is that you have to prepare the data. See, if you want to prepare yourself, you have to do three things. One is plan, prepare, and practice. Like if you want to be a data, if you want to play with data, three things are there. Mainly data preparation, exploratory data analysis, and visualization. Preparation we can do with the help of some programming language like Python programming language, with the help of some ML algorithm also. Visualization we can do with the help of tools like that Tableau and Power BI. So now you have to understand business. So we are going to discuss about life cycle, business and the data. What is business? How we can identify the data? So you must have business understanding. What problem we are going to solve? And that after that we have to acquire that data and prepare that data, because data is a new oil. We want data to be very clean. We have to handle the missing value. We have to handle duplicate values from the data. That means that we have to prepare a data very well. And that is the second step. And third step is that exploratory data analysis. You have to identify patterns and trends from the data with the help of some algorithm that I'm going to discuss, which is machine learning algorithm. And then we have to model the data. Then this is called as step 4, modeling, where machine learning algorithm applied. Now data scientist will select which algorithm is best suited for the data, whether we can apply prediction algorithm or classification. So we can make prediction or classification, that is called as outcome based on the help with the help of data. And then for visualization. Visualization means we are getting the insights from the data. Now I am going to share some data I downloaded from Kaggle, like how it is a low code language, how I'm going to analyze the data. So here one tools is there which is called as Tableau. I'll again open in front of you how I'm fetching the data. I'll just search. It is a free tool. Just write down Tableau Public. You can download from the Google. Tableau Public, you can download. Just write down here Tableau Public. You will get Tableau Public for free of cost. Okay. Now I already downloaded to save your time. Just Tableau Desktop is also there. Tableau Public is also there. I'll discuss, if I'll get time, I'll discuss about ML algorithm also, how you can work with the machine learning algorithm. Now we have to visualize the data now. How you can visualize the data now? I'm going to fetch. I already downloaded. So text file means a CSV file. I'm going to fetch from my desktop. So this is one CSV file. I already uploaded here in the Tableau. Then now this, see, you can see this hash mean numbers. This hash means numeric values. ABC means character values, like your data type. These are all the data types. Globe means location. So now I fetch this data here. If you go to sheet 1, can I visualize the data without any coding? This is low coding. Coding is there, but very minimal. Now you can get this data. For example, I'm taking this product category on column shelf, and one I'm taking hash value, that is profit or sales. If I will take here, you can visualize the data. You can see if you make it entire view, but the size you have to reduce. Now you can see how I'm doing. I'm playing with the data. Okay. Now, but sir, I'm not getting any profit here. Then you can press these labels. Okay. So sorry, you can press this T. You will get this profit here. Sir, I want different color for every data. For furniture, I want different color. Sir, for office supply, I want different color. Sir, for technology, I want different colors. Then you can fetch this category. Where it is category, I'll just show you. Product category to color shell. Sir, I want this in descending order. So here descending order is there. So this kind of, if you see, if you check your stock market analysis, you can find out the trends also. So I want to find out the trend of any stock. That is also possible. Now this is, see, now this is called as data. Now you can see, you can change, if you double click here, you can change the color also. If I want, I don't want, I want this color. Okay, make it this color. And then you can visualize. So this is only sheet 1. Like this, you can create another graph also. For example, I want time series data, like line graph. Then I will take order date here. Order date 2010, 11, 12, and 13. And then I'm taking, let's say, year wise profit. then a graph I will get. If you click quarter wise, if you click here month wise. So that is how, if you check, go to Google, let's say, which is your share, like TCS share price, TCS share price. Just giving example, you'll get graph. You see graph for 5-day graph, for 1 month graph, for 1 year graph, for 5 year graph, like this. So this is how the visualization and the communication with the same tool, which is Power BI. Go to Google and download the Power BI also, and you can visualize it. It's a different platform for visualizations. That these are the tools. Like this, you can create another sheet also. So you can take any data, for example, product subcategory, and let's say I'm now taking sales, but I want descending order, but I want colors also. Put it into color shelf. You can see. Sorry, I'm not getting proper color now. Okay, I hope I'm correct. Yeah, and then make it entire view. Okay, and then size. So this is how two sheets I have created like this. This is how your data, how data is important, and the finalized model. Now what I was talking about, this visualization, where Tableau, Power BI. Now this I can deploy also. This particular dashboard I can deploy to the server also. That is how we can play with the data. So that is how communication and deployment. So what are the key roles? We have data scientist, data engineers. I just explained visualization expert. Search on the LinkedIn like platform. What are different job roles like visualization expert? Then process owner. So everything we have to work on the data itself. And the for a collection of data, which website you can use, which is there are different types of websites are there. One is like kaggle.com. You can solve various, like any data you can. I'm also downloading the data from Kaggle only. You can sign in and fetch any data. Sign in with Google's and play with the data. Go to data sets, write down any data sample superstore data, and then I just download it. And then you can go here and you can download this data sets. Download option is there. You can click on data. If you go down here, data set will be there. Yeah, here you can see here download. Like this, any data you can download. So I was talking about, so this is the modern data teams, key roles, and then how company visualize the data. Okay. So what are main job roles? As I discussed, there are two job roles are very important. Data engineers. So path for this data engineer, mostly you have to work with the SQL, structured query language. And data scientist, a core who clean the data, do the hypothesis, build a model, and take the decision. Meanwhile, extract the insights from the data. That is the role of data scientist and then data engineer. As I discuss, then we need visualization expert. I have account. You can show account on Tableau Public. Actually, you must have, if you are expert, this account you must have, where I develop various dashboards. So that is a domain experts. So this is your public sorry, Tableau public login. Yeah. So this is the website you can download. Again, this is you can create your public.tableau.com. You can log into this. You can sign in, and then I will show you how I created various dashboard like this. You can also create. I'll just put my, hope it is correct. If it is not, I will skip this part. I think it's, oh yeah, it's open now. I can show you some of the dashboard that I have prepared. You can see here. If you click on my profile, I can share directly with this kind of, this is the how you can create dashboard. This dashboard I developed. You can see, just I given the demo how you can create. Later on, you can also develop this kind of dashboard. See how I develop. If you change now, this is a HR dashboards. Like what is that employee count, what is the attrition count, attrition rate, and employees. So if you change the education field, let's say I want only humans. Let's say I want only marketing and life science. So the value also will change here. You can see the graph will also change here. Now you can see the graph is changing. If I click on this marketing only, graph will change. So this kind of dashboard, this kind of analysis you have to do. I shown you the sample also, like how you can build. So this is how the last product, like with very fine product you can develop. Now a lot of AI integration is also there. With the AI also you can work on the data. But this is a simple example of this. Now if you want like male gender wise, so you can click here. So now you can see male wise, like for example attrition. So from that I can take the complete decision properly, and both like, so you can take the decision like this is HR, like that. Lot of many dashboards I develop like this. So this is your uh, second part, which is your visualization expert. And so now you have to speak the language of a data, what is data scientist, how to code. There are two languages mainly: Python programming. You can use Google Colab. You can use Spider, Anaconda. You can use Anaconda also. You can use. You can install Anaconda for learning all the tools, and R programming. These are some of the tools you have to learn to choose this career path. R programming is also you can download, and main libraries which is Pandas, Scikit-learn. So basically two types of data is there, and we have to process both the data. One is structured data like rows and columns. One is unstructured data. So what is structured data? Which is in the rows and column like your spreadsheet, like I shown you, that is the structured data. Unstructured data means you can, now you can see there are a lot of images you can generate. You can generate sound, you can generate image, you have to identify which is the proper image, which is the genuine image. You must have idea about that. Okay, this is the real image, this is a fake image. So unstructured data means we are working on the images, video, audio files. AI can generate images. I hope you all know that. AI can generate images. AI can generate video. AI can generate graphs also required for your reports. I'll discuss that tools also. So that is structured and unstructured data. And what you have to learn for this. First, I told there is a path you have to follow. Now, machine learning also. Firstly, artificial intelligence, then machine learning, then deep learning. I hope you are getting. So machine learning is the subset of AI and core component of data science. So firstly, artificial, sir, what is the example of artificial intelligence? So the task, for example, autopilot system. So artificially providing intelligence, artificial, natural intelligence, naturally. And then after AI, machine learning, then deep learning, going more deeper. I'll go to that also. So there are three main types of algorithm in the machine learning. One is supervised learning. I hope most of you know that. Unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. So what is supervised learning? Predicting the outcome. So that learns from the data which is already labeled. So example is classification. Predict the category whether it is a spam or not spam. Regression means predict the continuous value. Like for example, house value prediction. That is the example of regression. And then we have to discover unsupervised learning. So unsupervised learning means the algorithm works on unlabeled data to discover the hidden patterns of the data. So example is clustering. Now there are a lot of many examples are there for this. Like you are grouping the similar data point together. For example, segmenting the customer into a different purchasing group. I hope you are all watching the Netflix movies. How it will recommend the Netflix movies. How it is grouping together. Your how he knows that your interest. Now sometime you pause also like somewhere, some scene if you like anyone, any favorite hero, you like particular scene of any action or something drama. Then at that time you will watch it again. So Netflix knows that okay, this is his favorite movie. What kind of movie you are watching? So everything is recorded, and on the basis of that, it will cluster. Okay, it can cluster user based also. Similar user with the similar interest. So that is a clustering. Okay, then association means find out the relationship between the variables. Now, deep learning and neural network. So we are going more deeper now. So in the deep learning, it is inspired by human brain actually. At the heart of deep learning, artificial neural network is there. This is complex system inspired by neural connections in our own brain that are designed to recognize pattern in a data. So what makes it deep? Why deeper, deeper? Because it contains multiple layers. Neural networks become deeper because it have multiple layer of interconnected node. One layer, another layer, another layer. We also call it hidden layer sometimes. So we have to understand learning from simple to complex level. For example, when you analyze an image, it will understand only edges and color. Next layer, more features like what are the wheels, what are the eyes, or then finally will detect the object. So that is example of your deep learning. And then engine behind modern AI now, artificial intelligence, that is advanced image processing now. You can generate image with the help of ChatGPT. You can generate PowerPoint. You can generate sound. Even you can generate video also with the text. Some of the tools I will be discussing in this webinar also. Like for example, autonomous vehicle that can navigate the roads, human-like robots, capable of interaction. Now most of the people are trying to develop a that is Anchor AI. I hope you know. Most of you remember that AI anchors. They are giving the news in the news channels. Second example, like you can develop a bot, no? Like this food delivery apps. Like sometimes we don't like order or sometimes order not reach properly. We want to talk with their agent at the time of some GPT agent or some agent chat agent will talk with you. So that kind of again you that is developed with the help of natural language model like ChatGPT. It will understand and generate text, but ChatGPT also you have to work like that so that you can ask many questions relevant to that. Because you see, ChatGPT answer will be different some most of the time. Here GPT is there. Uh, I just want to log in for this. Okay. See, now I am writing something here. I need to log in. Yeah, you can ask anything first of all. Okay. Now you see. if I ask, I can take new chart here. I just, okay. Now I'll ask suppose what is AI? It will give answers. But what is AI? As a 10-year boy, it will give a different answer. Computer machine, talk to us, play game. Then again I will give answers. What is AI? As a professor. So you can give a prompt like that. So you can see the difference. Or now you can upload the images also. Like, okay, you upload the document also and summarize the document also. So that is how the GPT is working now. What is AI? As third year student, third year BTech student. Prompt is different, answer is different. Smart machine capable of performing task. So that is how the power of ChatGPT. I'll discuss some of the tools, no problem. Some powerful tools I'm going to discuss. So that is your deep learning. Now, what is data science ecosystem? How you can handle huge amount of data like BI, machine learning AI, data mining, and big data analytics. I'm also using most of the tools, frankly, for my work. Who uses the data science? Like Netflix, Amazon, this company use data to power recommendation system. They use the recommendation system. Netflix analyze a viewing habit to suggest what you should watch next. Amazon recommends product based on your browser purchase history. Google itself, its entire business is built on the data science, ranking search, SEO. And then we have Meta like Facebook and LinkedIn. LinkedIn, you know that this platform used to data for personalized user feeds. Microsoft also like it is integrated. So there are different cloud. What are different clouds actually? We have Google Cloud. We have Amazon AWS. Then we have IBM. Then we have Azure. And all data now there is term which is called as cloud analytics also. We can analyze the data on the cloud itself. So that is how the data science has a competitive advantage. We can analyze the banking data also. So for fraud risk detections, because they analyze million of transactions in the real time data. Algorithm trading and investment data science used to build a model that predict market movement, like stock market. I given example. I like in the Tableau, I worked on the sample superstore data. I can work on the stock market data also. That project will be stock market analysis. For that, on kaggle.com, you have to search data for, sorry, 1 second. Let me make down. You can search stock data. Then I can analyze. Or there is a website which is called as NSE. You can extract NSE website. Live you can go NSE National Stock Exchange. So I don't think so. I did stock market or not. If it is there, I can show you. Okay, no problem. You can do it later. Okay, anyways. Now I was talking about this financial data. Then you can build algorithm. It is used in healthcare also. Like data science is transforming healthcare by enabling more accurate diagnosis, like advanced image processing, MRI scan, X-rays. We can analyze the patient data, hospitals can predict which patient are at high risk of certain condition. Then some drug discovery also, like new medicines by analyzing the biological data. So this is how healthcare data we can develop. And then we can personalize the customer journey also by using recommendation engine, targeted digital advertisement. See, see everyone nowadays is getting a different advertisement because you are searching different. I am searching different, and you are getting different advertisement. I am getting different advertisement. Previous days, we all are getting same kind of advertisement. Now everyone, whenever you log into your any like platform like Z Premium or Netflix or some advertisement will come there. It is a personalized based advertisement. Even the product recommendation you will get because on the previous history, what you purchased previously, that is your previous history, and that is on the basis of that it will recommend that product, also called as recommendation of the products. So everywhere now data is important, like what content, where you click, what you want exactly. I'm searching, for example, some bikes on the Google or Facebook. That kind of advertisement I'm getting there. So what you are searching, that particular, then for example on Netflix, a movie you are searching, you will get that kind of movies. That is the example of movie recommendation. Okay. So platform like Facebook, Google use vast amount of user data to show relevant ads, which increases engagement and provide better return on the investment. Okay. So now you can use sport analytics also. Now I hope you are playing crickets now. Their data is used to analyze the player performance, new talent, define new game strategies. Because now you can see now recently we won. So they make a different strategy to win a game. Again, augment reality is the example. Adaptive gaming is also there. So game developer use player data to like from sensors we can capture the data that adaptive gaming can be possible. And it will keep player engaged. AR VR is again the future, and then future is again self-driving cars. These vehicles use the sensor data, image processing, and it will model is used to pursue the world, like make decision and navigate the safely. Then robotics also, like one of the advanced humanoid robots like Erika. News anchors is also there now. Example. So data science allows machines to perform complex tasks in the physical world also. That means that you can connect physical and digital world. So IoT involves network of connected devices that collect and share the data. Example is your smart homes also. I'll meanwhile then going to that some tools I want to discuss also. Again, a clearer environment. So clear environment means in the agriculture sectors, in the energy conservations, data science is used. So this is one more applications as a data science as your career. What you are to do? One is common field. One is you have to learn computer science like Python or, as I told, mathematics. As I told, visualization also. Data science attracts talents from wide range of academic background, not only one. This is actually future trends, which is explainable AI. As model become more complex, there is a demand for making their decision perfect, and that decision must be transparent and understandable. So some of this is required. That is future trend actually. Then MLOps is there, machine learning operations, augment analytics, and hyper personalization using AI to deliver the experience for each individual user from content to healthcare. So now I'll show you some of the tools also. How you can. I'll just give one demo, one or two demo, possibly depends on time. We are in the era of explosive data growth, creating a huge demand for data professional. So data science is very powerful for interdisciplinary field that transfer data, raw data into business values. Some of the tools I already mentioned here is this Napkin AI. So yesterday I searched about, I worked on this tool. I discussed about some tool which is Tableau. I'm going to discuss some of the tools. I am taking this document. Wait, serverless computing. I'm just copying here. Okay, till this. Control C. Then you can search. It will give a very nice visualization. Yesterday I tried this one. Yeah, Napkin AI. I can see this one. Tool name is Napkin AI. Now just log in. It will give whatever visualization you want. Just sign in. It is free of cost again. I hope you know Gamma also. You can create a very nice PowerPoints also, or you can create reports also. Now you can new napkin you can take here. You can draft it from AI. No problem. Draft with AI also. You can just here you can put prompt. I hope you got it. Now just click. Now it will write AI writing also, and it will perform visualization also. So see now you can see the result. I want some. You will get visualization here. You can see here. Wait. Yeah. Now I want. So I want visualization Spark search. So I want, if you want some visualization also, that also you will get. So you can see how fastly I got a result with this tool. Now new napkin I'll take, or you can draft with AI, whatever you want, you can generate. Cloud. I want cloud, suppose. You can humanize the concept also. There are different cloud service model. This, okay, wait. Fine. See, now this I want to create with visualization now. It is going to now visualize my content. Now you can see it is taking time. Maybe prompt is not proper, but just for demo purpose, I am showing you. Then you can save the document also. Okay, it will take time. Proper prompt is very much required. You can see now this is generated with the help of, or you can change the design also, whatever you want. Now you can see here. Okay, this is okay. And then you can export, download also if you want some colors or something. It's very nice tool actually for developing reports and all. So then this you can say also in the my report. You can create any report also like this. If you want some role of, you can draft with cloud also. A role of data science. You can create with the AI. Okay. Okay. It is understanding data collection, then business. Okay. So this is lot of things given. Now I will just show you. Data quality and challenges I will rather than future of data science I will check. Yeah, now you can see. It completely generated the hierarchy, and then I can use now you can see new data is generated. You can also generate like this. Now you can save this complete document. I hope you are getting. Okay. I hope. Okay. Then one more tool is like for PowerPoint generation. A lot of tools are there. I'll just show you some PPT I can develop. Gamma IO. So today Gamma AI. I hope most of you might know this Gamma. This you can go here. I hope this one only. Okay. Yes. You need to log in also. Continue with Google. I hope I'm. So you can generate. Okay. Nowadays you can generate very beautiful PowerPoints with the help of AI. Some of them are paid. So here you can generate new or directly from AI also you can generate. So I'll just click on this. You can, I'm using generate, okay, rather than you can take the data from GPT and paste it here or directly you can generate here also. So again, I'm writing what is, yeah, so and then generate outline. It will generate it for you. So now whatever the theme you want to select, you can select that theme. Order generate, just click on generate here. Now that theme also you can change if you want. So what is artificial intelligence? My name is also copyrighted coming here. Okay. We'll discuss one more last tool. Then after that, after 5 minutes, I'll take 5 minutes question if anyone have. So you can see images also it is developing very nicely. You can see here. Okay. So now if you want to download complete PPT is ready with the now it is improved actually. Very nice. Theme is also very nice. Design also very proper. You can use also that one. It's not like that you cannot use because it's AI generated. You can generate. Okay, okay, fine. I don't want. It is okay. If you click here, so you can make it present review also. It will show you the complete PowerPoint. And then if you want to download it, just click here. This export you can use PDF or whatever you want. PDF I want. I can. This is my downloaded contents now. You can see what is AI. What is the history of AI or technologies driving AI. This kind of images also you can develop by and then super AI. You can see how beautifully images. You can see what are the domains also it covered. Okay, healthcare, finance, retail, benefits and challenges of AI. So whatever I want, this Future is beyond that actually. You will you will learn a lot in coming days. I mean, another tool I want to discuss, or one more tools I will, is Gamma is there and Framer is there. Notebook LM is very good actually. This is also very nice tool. Using. So what you can do now here, I will not give the demonstration. After 5 minutes, one or two question I'll take and then I'll stop. But see, and it will understand anything like your research, like it will give the proper contents, whatever you are uploading. So that you have to upload one source file. Here you have to upload your source file like PDF, website, audio, video, and then it will answer with that. So it will understand that source file and learn from that source file, and only that it will give the answer. So that is again one of the tools. So okay, so this is how the artificial intelligence career in the uh, data science. Hardly I will take some. Okay, if you want to, okay, if you want one more demonstration, last I will give that Kaggle, this one. So see here I can show you another thing which is like you can get the data, your data you can get with the Gamma, and the three options are there here, and it is free of cost again. Okay. So for example, if you want to make presentation, if you can create a web page also. So usually you will get 8 cards, and if you don't want to generate it, and if you have your own content, you can paste it here. I mean, you can take from somewhere and paste it here, and then you can uh, what publish here. For example, ChatGPT, I'm taking what is AI, or it already given something for me. Uh, I'm taking it from here, and then pasting here. Then you can generate